Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quick video going over Alibaba, which looks as if there's a potential breakout to the upside. If you don't know who Alibaba is, they're a large e-commerce company based out of China. They're pretty much the Amazon of China. Huge company with a 690 billion market cap just now and annual revenue of well over a 100 billion. Alibaba have been growing exceptionally for over the last few years, and this is continuing to go into the future. Last year they had over 40% revenue growth, and analysts are estimating this is going to continue up to 30% and 20% in the following years. They're a cash flow machine, and as you can see here, with the revenue growth projected and the earning per share projected on an annual basis, they're trading at a very fair value, with the price to earnings right now of about 21, and based on next year's earning about 22. And as you can see, we've got here over 30%, just about 30% for next year's growth, and that's going to taper off, still within 20% revenue growth rate. Alibaba have also been in the headline recently, and I think that's what's been creating this buying opportunity. They've been placed under investigation as an anti-monopoly base from the Chinese government. From the Wall Street Journal, we've got the documentation here which shows the fine that was received by Alibaba, and they had to pay back 2.8 billion antitrust fine in China. Now this is a record. It's only 4% of their annual revenue, so for an Alibaba's concern, it's not a major effect to the business. It'll be a short-term hit, and now that this is in the past, things should start to be more positive around Alibaba and look towards the growth prospects of the company, as this grey cloud can now be removed. I've got here Alibaba's 10-year chart with the smooth moving average indicator for 50 days and 100 days. Looking through the chart, I've noticed there seems to be a pattern that the 100 smooth moving average offers a good level of support or resistance, which can help indicate what way the stock's going to go. If I point out a few examples here, you can see that it tried to test the 100-day moving average, rejected it, moved to the downward side. We've also got here, it's came down, tested the purple line, and it's bounced up. It's done a double bottom here, and then it's been on a long upwards trend here. Tested, rejected, and this is quite common throughout the last 10 years on this chart. And the exciting part about this is that we're getting to a crossroad here right now, where I'll move into the next 1 year chart, which will paint a better picture. But in recent history, again, point number 10 that I've got here, the 100-day average, it's came up, it's tested it, rejected, and it's went on the downward spiral again. So let's take a look at the 1 year chart. Still got the exact same filters, 50-day moving average, 100-day moving average, but I've also included my shares, as over the last 6 months or so I've entered a position into Alibaba. Looking at the share chart here, you can see that there was a bearish head and shoulders pattern developing. I've went and purchased some shares here, as the B indicates, as I thought that this looked as if it was testing a level of support here, where it was then going to break out to the upside. But it's turned out that it has went bearish. And if we look through the chart here, following from the same pattern that I was discussing, the 100-day and also the 50-day moving average have acted as points of support and resistance. So let's look through here. First point, we've tested this, we've broken through the 50-day average, which is a good sign, and we've came up to the 100-day, it's rejected it, it's went on the downward trend. I've picked up some more shares around here. Following back up, it's tested the 50-day moving average, rejected it, and it's came back up and tested it again, which is also rejected, and we've had a long downward trend here. About this location here, this will be when it was about April time, where the settlement fee came out, and this could be why this change in momentum. We've broken through the 50-day moving average, which is a great sign, and now we're getting to this pivotal point where we're just about to test the 100-day moving average. And for me, if this breaks out to the upside, it looks as if it's a bullish indicator. Guys, this will be the end of the video. If you've enjoyed this, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos. Thanks.